Hey, hi, hello, my name is Alexis, and today we're doing a palette bingo with the Anastasia Norvina palette. I have nothing else to preface this with, except I really wanted to do a palette bingo with this. Look at how beautiful that palette is. Okay, so I have a random number generator over here, so let's generate some numbers. Okay, the first number is 7, which is Drama, the dark shimmery purple. Okay, the second number is 3, which is Wild Child, the pink here, the shimmery pink. The next shade is 10, which is Incense, the matte brown, the warm matte brown. Out of the two like transition-y kind of shades, that's the more warm one. The next shade is 13, which is Eccentric, so a warmer brown, warmer, deeper brown. And then the last shade is 4, which is Rose Gold. Okay, so normally I would be like, oh, I'm going to be right back, I'm going to put my base on and come back. But with this, because of the fallout, especially because most of the shades that have been picked are shimmery shades, I'm going to do my eyes first. So let me prime. Let me prime first. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to start with Incense, this one, and use that as my transition. I'll throw this in and above my crease. Nothing too fancy there. And then I'm going to take Eccentric, this one, and just deepen up the crease with that. I'm not putting anything on the the outer third-ish area because I'm just going to put one color all over the lid. So I'm just deepening up the crease with this. For the lid, I'm going to take Rose Gold, this one, and just throw that all over the lid. Push it all over and blend the edges. Okay, for the lower lash line I'm going to take Drama and just bring this all the way across my lower lash line. Maybe I should have done my concealer first. Oh well. And then for the inner corner I'm going to take Wild Child. Just right in here. So that's the eyeshadow done. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then come back with it all finished. But that's the eyeshadow. I like it. Of course, if you didn't want to put the pink in on the inside, you could just do like Dreamer, like this one instead. But I kind of like that. That looks fun. Alright, let me do other things and then I'll be back to you. So here are the eyes, completely done now with mascara and black liner and the tight line and the waterline. I like how this turned out. Okay, this is why I like palette bingo. I probably would not have put all of these colors together. And also, it gives you a look that, so like, I feel like you look at this palette and you're like, oh, it's very like purple. But like, where's the purple? There's no purple in this look. Really pretty though, really nice, like smoky eye for, I don't know, whatever you want a smoky eye for. But yeah, I already finished my face. Didn't really do anything different than I normally would for my face. This lip is one of the cream matte lip pencils. I think is that what they're called? What is this called? What are you called? Matte cream lip crayon. Excuse me. From Bite. This is in Glossé. So that's what I did to finish off the look. I really like it. I like how this turned out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye!